Hello and welcome. It's a big pleasure to be working with you today. We're a passionate team based in Madagascar, France, and Canada. With over 10 years of experience, we've mastered the art of leveraging and managing your online data. Our mission? To evolve alongside your needs, ensure your growth, and together stay on track toward your goals. We support you through 3 essential pillars. First, data management. We structure and optimize your back-office information to streamline your production and internal organization, and then to support your business strategies. Second, our customized virtual support service. We manage your existing platforms and handle your external relationships. Whether it's your customers, prospects, or suppliers, we provide rigorous and personalized follow-up. Plus, by integrating artificial intelligence, we boost your digital communication across all your channels. Simply put, we take care of your day-to-day tasks to free up your time and maximize your profitability. Finally, what sets us different and makes us strong is our role as business developers. We don't just execute, we analyze, measure the quality of our work, and identify new growth opportunities to offer you long-term development plans. Let's grow your business together. Contact us right now via message or in the comments to discuss your project. And if you liked this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for your trust, and see you soon.